Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel where I show you how to turn your small business into a full-time income. Today's video is super exciting because I'm going to talk about how I plan on selling out my Shopify store by the end of 2022. Okay, so this topic is super exciting to me because you guys already know my Amazon FBA store is doing great, but now it's time to focus on my Shopify store. We actually just recently got in a new collection for the summer. We just launched it around a week ago. So now I want to put a plan in place to sell out this collection by the end of 2022. And the reason why I want to sell out is because number one, I want to prove a concept with Shopify because Amazon FBA is already proven. The price point is amazing. It's very convenient for people to shop on there, and it's very easy to push in terms of marketing with micro influencers and all of that. But on Shopify, on the other hand, it's actually a little bit harder. Number one, the price point of the sunglasses is a bit more expensive, or I would say it's around double the price, and that's because we decided that on Shopify we wanted to sell a higher quality, and we wanted sunglasses that were biodegradable, that had the CR39 lenses, which is one of the clearest type of lens that you can possibly get. We wanted them to be durable, flexible, won't break easily, so we didn't just want to sell any, regular PC sunglasses. PC means plastic, and that's what most of the Amazon sunglasses are. We wanted to make sure that these sunglasses were high quality, and with that obviously comes a price. So that's why our price point is a little bit more expensive on Shopify, and it's a little bit harder to push because it's not Amazon. With Amazon, it's super easy, it's very convenient. People really trust Amazon because you have that 30-day return policy, so it's kind of like an impulse purchase. But on Shopify, you really have to sell your brand, not just your product. So it's a little bit of a different business model, but I do want to prove this concept as well. I'm going to keep you guys posted. Let's say if that doesn't happen, at the end of the year, I'm going to make a video saying, is it worth it to actually go for Shopify? And is it worth it to provide a more premium product on Shopify, or should you just stay on Amazon? Okay, so I wrote down a few different ways that I plan on marketing this collection, a few efforts that I have planned out, and I'm gonna explain them to you guys so you can get an idea. And if you have a Shopify store, hopefully you can do this as well. So let's get right into it. Okay, so with this new collection, I just want to point out that I do have around 1,200 pieces that I ordered. So that's my inventory levels at the moment. And I'm going to allocate 20% of this collection to go to influencers. Now, when I say influencers, I mean I am DMing and reaching out to influencers within 1 or 2 regions. So at this point, I am prioritizing the US and Canada. And the reason why I like to keep it maximum between 2 regions is because if I was to just target worldwide influencers, my marketing would be very diluted. So I want to make sure that I am focusing not just within the same region, but also within the same pool of followers. So let's say, for example, if an influencer or 2 or 3 influencers have common followers, that's actually great. Even though, let's say one of them has 10,000 followers and the other one has another 10,000 followers, that probably wouldn't be a combination of 20,000 different followers. It may all in all be around 15, but it's still great for you because when people start to see the product over and over again on their social media feeds, then it becomes like what I call the Jones, or keeping up with the Jones effect, which means it looks like everybody's doing it, everybody's wearing it, and then they start to want it more and more. Most people don't actually want to purchase a product that is at a premium price from the first time that they see it. They first want to get familiar with the brand, and they want to feel like a lot of different people or friends around them are doing the same thing as well, so that they get encouraged to purchase from the brand too. So that's why 20% is going to go to influencers, and we are prioritizing micro influencers because they create lots of amazing content, and it is a win-win situation. They get exposure to our followers, and we get exposure to their followers. We also get content, and they get free product. So it really is a win-win situation with micro influencers. And when I say micro, I mean 5 to 50,000 followers. So 50,000 followers is the max. And then we are also still going to send to some macro influencers. We do have great relationships with a handful of macro influencers that we are going to send our sunglasses to. And you know, if you're a business owner, then you know when you send to influencers, it's, you know, either they post or they don't. It's kind of like you're just, you know, shooting your luck with them. So I'm hoping that they will post about our sunglasses. It's all about the product. If they love it and they use it, then they will post about it. If they don't love it and they don't use it, then that probably means that it either wasn't the right fit or there might be something that you can improve on. So we're gonna see how that goes, but 20% will be allocated to influencers. The next strategy that I have to sell out my inventory is posting one TikTok every day. And this, I think, is going to be the most effective. And if you have a low budget, this should be your bread and butter. Post a TikTok every single day. If you can, post 2 TikToks a day, and I plan on doing this for at least 2 months. I'm hoping to keep it consistent for 3 months. Yeah, you really want to post a TikTok every day and stay consistent, because that's when the algorithm really starts to pick up your content and starts to show it to more people. As soon as the algorithm sees that you are posting every day, then they are going to push your content out. And keep in mind, the more you post, the more opportunity you have to actually get a viral video. And once you get a viral video, I mean, to be honest, I believe that is it for your business. You're good to go, you're done, because you're getting so many eyes on your product, and you are probably going to get a handful of people purchasing your product and interested in your brand at least. And then the next thing is I'm also going to post those same TikToks as Reels, because Instagram is also pushing Reels. Instagram is going more towards video-based content, and it's very easy to actually just repurpose those TikTok videos as Reels. So what I like to do is I like to shoot those videos on my iPhone camera, just the regular iPhone camera, and then I like to edit the videos on CapCut, and that way I can export it in 4K and in the maximum frame, I think it's called frame rate or something like that. And you actually get to also adjust the colors, make it more, you know, aesthetic vibes, and then you post it on TikTok and post it on Instagram, and there you go. You are basically just repurposing content, and you don't need to create different videos for this platform and different videos for this platform. So my next strategy is I actually plan on focusing and optimizing my product page, because I realized that I actually get a lot of traffic on my website, but not all this traffic is necessarily converting. I could be converting a lot more. I know the standard conversion rate is around 2 or 3%. I'm pretty sure mine right now is at 0.5% if I'm not mistaken, or maybe around 1%. So I think the conversion rate can be improved by a lot, which means I really need to improve my product page. So I need to include some benefits and features in my product page, maybe some comparisons to other competitors in the sunglasses space, possibly some reviews, so incentivizing my customers to leave some honest feedback on the product page. So doing all of these different changes, and I really don't need to hire somebody to do these. I could just do them myself very simply on Shopify. So I do plan on focusing on that, and I'll see if that makes a difference as well. And then the next strategy is running Facebook ads. So Facebook ads are great, because if you make a video that, let's say, goes viral on TikTok, or something that's very catchy about your product, that is a great video to actually push on Facebook ads and Instagram ads. I'm definitely gonna go full force into Facebook ads, and anything that works on TikTok and Reels, I'm going to make sure to push it on Facebook and Instagram. And I'm also trying out TikTok ads. So we'll see. We do have an ads buyer on our team, and the ads buyer, his name is Marwan. He's amazing. He's super good. And I'm going to convince him to do a module for FBA Academy, the program. So if you guys are not already a part of the program, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you guys to join if you're interested. But I'm gonna have him do a module over there on basically how to do the basic ads that you would need if you're just starting out with your Shopify store and you want the most results with the least budget, basically. So yeah, Facebook ads, I think they yield great results, especially if you are pushing those videos, those same videos that go viral on TikTok and on Instagram because they're usually very catchy. Yeah, that's basically it. So this is just gonna wrap up the video because I've mentioned all of the strategies so far, and I've already actually started on my journey because I launched around a week or two ago. So I've already started on implementing some of these strategies. I've started posting more on TikTok and Instagram, but starting today, that's when I'm really going to do one TikTok and one reel every single day, and we'll see how that goes. We've already sent out a bunch of packages to influencers, so I'm gonna keep you guys updated on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on there, this is my handle right here. Please make sure to follow me because I'm gonna be posting a ton over there about my progress. And at the end of the year, I mean, I'm obviously gonna do more videos between now and the end of the year, but at the end of the year, that's when I will give you my final decision on whether Shopify is worth it or if you should just continue to grow your business on Amazon FBA. All right, so that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're interested to start your own Amazon FBA store, don't forget I do have a program with over 1,300 students. I'm helping them build their brands on Amazon as well. So you can check out my program through the link in my description box. And thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week. Bye.